I think this is a good parking spot. Took the bike to the Home Depot. Yeah, it's Depot, I know.
Climb the channel.
Hello. Can you show me like where there are like adapters are, like your hose adapters?
Let me pull it up on mine. It should say where.
Okay. Aisle 8, Bay 10, is that what you're on?
Oh, yeah, that'd be right.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
If you have any trouble, just come back.
Okay. Just looking for this piece. It says aisle 8, Bay 12.
Yeah, they were here.
Perfect, thank you. I knew you looked like a helpful person.
Climb the channel.
I found it, thanks. Alright. You too. And there you go. We going back home. Good. Yes, sir. Whoa. Don't make me want to jump in there. Oh. Yes? Okay, hold on.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I live right as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.
Stay safe. Stay clean.